How to buy Binance Dark token. So this token came under the symbol of Cleo. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener and created 8 months ago and increased by 25,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 2 on Binance Smart Chain section. Now to be able to buy this token, it is a simple. Copy the token from here, as you can see. Now go and open your wallet. For that I will use the Bitget wallet. Now select the BNB Smart Chain from here, and as you can see, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added. It's called Cleo. So after you find this, click on it, click on swap, switch from here from the top. I will just go back. Now click on it again, as you can see. Now swap, click on swap, switch from here from the select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. So this is it. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Cleo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.